Once upon a time, in the small, picturesque town of Willowbrook, there lived three adventurous siblings, Max, Lily, and Ben. The trio was known throughout the town for their insatiable curiosity and love for exploring the great outdoors. Max, the oldest at 12, was the natural leader. Lily, 10, was the brains of the group, always coming up with clever plans. Ben, the youngest at 8, had a knack for finding hidden treasures and solving puzzles. One sunny summer day, while exploring the attic of their old family house, they stumbled upon a dusty, ancient map hidden inside an old, leather-bound book. The map depicted a trail leading through the Whispering Woods to a place marked only as the Enchanted Glade. Intrigued by the mysterious map, the siblings decided to embark on an adventure to uncover the secrets of the Enchanted Glade. With backpacks full of snacks, water, and their trusty dog, Scout, they set off early the next morning. The Whispering Woods, known for its towering trees and winding paths, was both enchanting and a bit eerie. As they ventured deeper into the forest, the map led them to a series of riddles and clues, each more challenging than the last. Their first clue was a riddle carved into a stone at the base of an ancient oak tree. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? After a few moments of pondering, Lily exclaimed, "It's an echo." They followed the sound of the echo deeper into the forest until they found the next clue. Along the way, they encountered various woodland creatures who seemed almost to guide them on their journey. A friendly fox led them to a hidden grove, where they discovered a beautiful, sparkling stream. There, they solved another riddle, which directed them to follow the stream until they reached a waterfall. Behind the waterfall, they found a hidden cave filled with glowing crystals. In the center of the cave was an ancient pedestal with a final riddle. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Ben quickly shouted. Footsteps. The pedestal slowly opened, revealing a staircase leading down into the earth. The siblings descended the staircase, finding themselves in the heart of the Enchanted Glade. It was a magical place, filled with luminescent flowers, a rainbow-colored pond, and trees that seemed to hum with ancient wisdom. In the center of the glade stood a magnificent tree, its branches adorned with shimmering fruits. The tree spoke in a gentle, wise voice, thanking the siblings for their bravery and curiosity. As a reward for their adventurous spirit, the tree granted each of them a special gift. Max received a compass that always pointed towards adventure, Lily a book that held the answers to any question she ever had, and Ben a small chest filled with ancient treasures from the glade. The siblings returned home, their hearts full of wonder and excitement, knowing that they would forever cherish the memories of their incredible journey. From that day on, they were known as the guardians of the Enchanted Glade, always ready for their next great adventure.